Good morning, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to fix a Mandarin Orange cake. What you need is you need a box of yellow cake mix, a can of your Mandarin oranges. You'll need half a cup of oil, and I'm using vegetable oil today. I've got some Pam olive oil just to spray. I'm going to use a Bundt Pan, so I've got some olive oil to spray that. You're going to need a cup of water, and we're going to need 3 eggs. So we're going to mix everything together, pour it in the pan, and we're going to cook this thing up. So to cook it, it says 39 to 43 minutes. Let's get started. First thing I need to do probably is to spray my Bundt Pan, and just set it aside. And I'm going to be using a mixer today, so I've got my mixer. We'll start off with our cake mix. Okay, we're going to first put our cake mix in the bowl. We need to take our mandarin oranges and drain those. And you just put everything in one bowl. We need a half a cup of oil, and I am just using vegetable oil. We need 3 eggs. We now have 3 eggs. I'm going to stir this up just a little bit. And we need a cup of water. And we're going to take the mixer and we're going to just mix it just a little bit together. And you might as well start out on the low, because if you don't, it'll fly all over everywhere. Once you've got it sort of blended together a little bit, just turn it up on medium. Mix it for about 2 minutes. Turned out real pretty looking, eh? You can see the mandarin oranges in it just a little bit. I'm going to pour it into my Bundt Pan. I'm going to cook this in my Ninja, and we're going to cook it about, I'm going to set it for 30 minutes and then test it, but it does say to cook it about 39-40 minutes, so but I am going to try it at 30 minutes at 350. I've just set my Ninja for 30 minutes at 350. And it takes it such a short while for the Ninja to warm up that I'm just going to go ahead and get this in the pan first. Cut the little Ninja on. Okay, I have it in my Bundt Pan. I've got it set on bake for 30 minutes at 350. And right this second it is preheating, and we're going to stick it in an oven very shortly. Okay, it's now telling me that it's hot. It's done started counting down. So we're going to put it in the oven. Okay, it is now in my little Ninja, and it is counting down. Now I did put this on the 3rd rack. That's where the instructions for the Ninja was saying you usually should bake stuff. So that's where we've got it. So we have 28 minutes to wait. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe. Give me your comments. And we'll soon see what this cake is. I've never had one before, so we'll learn together. Okay, this has been cooking 30 minutes and I've just stuck a toothpick in it and it's just not done. So we're going to cook it for at least 10 more minutes. Okay, I let this cook for 40 minutes. Looks really pretty. So I'm going to let it sit here just a few minutes and cool, and then we're going to take it out of this pan. Okay, I've let it cool for just a little bit. So let me just see if it'll come out of the pan. It's still warm. Oh my goodness. Would you look at that? It came right out. Just perfect. I can't believe how good it came out. I'm going to let it cool some more, and then I'm just going to put some Cool Whip on top of it when I slice a piece, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we're going to cut us a slice and just see what it looks like. It definitely has a very good smell. And I'm just going to take just a little bit of Cool Whip and put on top of this one Mandarin Orange. It's got a very distinct flavor. It's really good. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please give me your comments, suggestions. Join my channel and come back to see me. Very good.